Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. Today we're checking out 3 of the most popular compressor options from Viair for your Jeep vehicle. We've got their 400p portable air compressor that's going to allow you to quickly and efficiently air up your tires at the end of the day on the trail. We also have their compact onboard air system that again is going to allow you to easily and quickly air up your tires, as well as run onboard air accessories like maybe a set of air lockers in your axles. And finally, we have their complete dual compressor onboard air system that also includes a onboard air storage tank, so that not only can you do things like run those air accessories like lockers, inflate your tires, but you can also run air tools right there on the side of the trail. Now we're gonna get started by taking a peek right here at the 400p portable air compressor. Now, one of the best things about this selection from Viair here is right there in the name. It is a portable air compressor that you can take with you. You can use it in your Jeep just as easily as maybe your buddy's Jeep after a day on the trail when it comes time to air up your tires. Now the whole kit comes right here in this great compact carrying bag to keep everything together and ready to go. And everything comes in weighing at under 10 pounds. So it's not going to take up a lot of room in the back of your Wrangler when you're headed out for a day on the trails. The 400p portable air compressor is a 33% duty cycle compressor. That means you're going to be able to run this compressor for 20 minutes straight before you need to give it a rest. And it's going to be perfect for airing up tires up to a maximum diameter of about 35 inches. Now, that's not saying you can't air up tires larger than that, but this compressor is going to do really well at bringing your tires up to working pressure at the end of a day on the trails if you stick to under around a 35-inch diameter tire. This is an oilless, maintenance-free compressor, so you're going to get a nice, long, worry-free life out of your 400p. Also features a serviceable and replaceable air filter, so you're going to get good, clean air running through this filter. Now that compressor has a maximum working pressure of 150 psi, and we get a number of accessories to go with the compressor included. We've got a couple different air chuck accessories in there, so you can use it for inflating other things in addition to your tires. We also get this 30-foot long inside braided coiled air hose to go with it. Features a quick disconnect fitting right there on the end of the air hose. We also have the matching quick disconnect fitting right here on the side of that 400p compressor. And at the other end of the 30 feet of our air hose, we have our 5-in-1 chuck on here. So we've got this great clamp on air chuck. It's going to give you hands-free use once you clamp that onto your valve stem of your tire. And then we have an inline gauge on here with a working pressure up to 100 psi. We also have this deflate valve built into our air hose, which is going to make getting your pressures set to the exact perfect psi really easy by giving you a momentary release of pressure there. You can also twist that and lock it in place. You can use this to actually air down your tires before you head out on the trail. Now, using your 400p portable air compressor is really easy. The power cable features an inline fuse, and getting it hooked up, well, is as simple as clamping the included alligator clips on the positive and negative terminal of your vehicle's battery and flipping the switch right there on the side of the compressor. And because we've got that 30-foot long air hose, well, that means you can leave the compressor sitting right here at the front corner of your vehicle as you move around and air up all 4 tires. Now, if you're looking for something that you can permanently mount in your Jeep, well, we can check out this kit over here. This is Viair's Escapade constant duty compact onboard air system that you can permanently mount in your Wrangler or your Gladiator so that you'll always have a constant supply of compressed air. This system utilizes Viair's workhorse 450C constant duty compressor. This compressor features a 100% duty cycle, meaning you can run it constantly for an hour without having to worry about giving this compressor any breaks. It's got 150 psi working pressure, and that means it's going to be perfect for airing up tires up to a maximum size of 37 inches in diameter. The unique feature of this compressor is right here on the top. It's the built-in quarter-gallon air tank. Now, this tank features a pressure switch, quick disconnect, and safety valve right here on the backside, and we've got 8 ports, 4 down each side of the compressor. that are going to make it easy for you to add additional air accessories like lines running to your air lockers or sway bar, or even a line running to a remote quick disconnect fitting somewhere else on your Jeep to make airing up your tires at the end of the day on the trail a really easy task. We also have a drain valve right there on the bottom of the air tank. And we get a serviceable filter with this compressor as well that can be replaced and maintained so that you're always giving a nice, clean, fresh supply of air into your compressor. Now, this filter can even be remote mounted. It includes the line you need to run that to a dry, suitable location if your compressor is going to be mounted in a location that's more susceptible to wet, moist air. You're going to get all of the wiring and relays that you need to permanently mount this system in your vehicle wherever you choose. You're also going to get this great carrying case along with a 30-foot inside braided coiled air hose that features quick disconnect fittings at both ends that you can quickly attach right there to the compressor and attach the other end to one of the included air accessories. We're going to get a blowgun with this kit that makes it easy for cleaning things off at the end of the day. We also get this great large trigger style clamp on air chuck with a large, easy to read face on there with a working pressure up to 160 psi. Now, if you're looking for the ultimate onboard air solution, we can check out this kit over here. Now, this is Viair's Dual 485C complete onboard air solution for your Jeep vehicle. This kit includes absolutely everything you need for the ultimate onboard air setup, from the dual compressors to the 2.5 gallon air storage tank to the inline pressure regulator, allowing you to do everything from airing up your tires at the end of the day to running things like air lockers and sway bars to even running air tools right there on the side of the trail. This kit is the first from Viair to utilize their brand new Generation 2 485C constant duty compressors. Upgraded internals make these compressors a true 200 psi max working pressure constant duty compressor, allowing a 100% duty cycle from these compressors. They also feature upgraded isolators to help reduce vibration and sound, as well as this great modern looking head design for really eye-catching looks. Now, these compressors are available in your choice of either their platinum finish or their great stealth black finish like I have here on the table. As I mentioned, you're also going to get this large 2.5 gallon air tank along with all of the fittings that you need to get this installed, running from your quick disconnect couplers to your drain cocks, plug sets, and air lines so that you can easily run air lines to your air lockers as well as sway bars or other quick disconnect fittings that you mount around your Jeep for easy air up at the end of the day. You're also going to get remote mount capable air filters with these compressors along with the hose and even an airline cutting tool to make the job of installing this kit easy. Again, you'll see here we've got our pressure switches, heavy duty solenoids, fuses, and even a secondary aluminum distribution block to allow more flexibility during your installation. We've even got a remote mount pressure gauge and on-off switch that you can mount right on the dash of your Wrangler or Gladiator so that you always have clear view of how much pressure you have in your tank ready to be used. Again, that inline pressure regulator is going to be the key system in this setup that allows you to dial in the pressure you need so that you can run air tools like an impact gun right there on the side of the trail to make those trail repairs and a really easy task for you. You're also going to get all the accessories you need, like a 30-foot inside braided coiled air hose featuring quick disconnect fittings at both ends, along with a carrying bag for that air hose. We're going to get a blowgun in this system. We also get Viair's 3-in-1 clip-on air-down valve. This features an easy-to-read analog gauge along with their 3-in-1 valve here that's going to allow you to easily air down your tires before you head out on the trails for the day. And at the end of the day, when it's time to air back up, well, you're going to get Viair's premium digital tire inflation gun. Features their easy-to-use pistol grip style handle, clip-on air chuck, as well as an easy-to-read digital output right there on the face of the gauge. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase any one of the 3 systems we went over today, including that 400p portable air compressor, the 450C compact onboard air system, or the dual 485 complete onboard air system for your Jeep, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about any of the systems I went over today, you can always do those for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.